Hello guys, welcome back to UJ Bala channel. Sorry guys, today we're not doing language. We're going to be doing something more interesting. Like I said, this channel is all about culture, tradition, lifestyle and language of Igbo. So let's go to the main video.
Anywhere you go, anywhere.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna be doing our culture, Igbo girl lifestyle, things she's allowed to do and things she's not allowed to do, the way she structures and some of the internal things that she is trained to have in her life. Wherever she go, she's gonna surely have it. So if you are married to one or you're in love with one, listen to me. This is what you have to know. Stop saying she's putting Jara in the marriage, because the Jara she's putting in the marriage is because of this reason I'm going to tell you now. So listen carefully. If you're married to one, sit down. Yeah, sit down and listen to what I have to say now, so that you will understand why that Jara is always coming. And if you're still planning, don't give up when you're seeing all this Jara, because this is what you're going to see all through this marriage, the course of your marriage. So you better sit down and listen. So if there's something you can deal with, you will know from time, isn't it? So Igbo girls are born the way they are. They are represented with modesty. That is how I have to say it. When you see an Igbo girl, modesty is what you see. If you give her love, she will give you love. If you give her Jara, she'll bring out double Jara for you. So that's one thing. But she's always very caring and loving. In fact, and sometimes she becomes the foundation of the family. If you, the man, is not working hard, she jumps in. She can go learn trade. She can even learn another qualification or get another qualification and go and do another thing. So let me tell you, an Igbo girl can never be lazy. No, she can never be lazy, because they like good thing anyway. So if you like good thing, how will you go and sit down and be lazy? Abby, explain now. How will you go and sit down and be lazy when you like good thing? And let me tell you, some other culture will say, oh, they like money, they like to. It's because we are raised that way. We are raised to like good things. The people say it's money. What do you mean money? And Igbo girl want to do good all the time. And that's why she's very industrious. And that's why she is very, very hardworking, strong. Yeah, so if you're this man and you don't want a strong woman, don't even go nearer to an Igbo girl, because you can't do without she showing you her character. Her character is strong. She want to belong. She want to look good. Abby, how can you go and marry an Igbo girl and say she won't look good? She go come out, she go learn trade, she go learn work, she go out. Yeah, so you better know. So if you're with one and she's giving you Jara there and you're always complaining, this is the reason why. Or are you trying to tell her, oh, don't be close to your family and the rest of them? Stop, because an Igbo girl cannot stop. She cannot stop talking to her mama, or to her papa, or to her cousin, uncle, auntie. She is too attached to them, because that's how she's raised to know family value. And trust me, without these people, you're going to see more Jara in that marriage or that your relationship. You're going to see marriage. So it's always good for you to just leave her to be. When she bring gist, take the gist. When she bring quarrel, listen. When she bring gossip from her, listen. When they are boxing and killing each other in that, still listen, because she likes to be listening, and she will bring her family along with her when she's with you. So guys, that is how I will that's the only thing I want to say. So if you're looking for one and you cannot find, Igbo girls are everywhere now. They're everywhere. Why are you telling me that you can't find an Igbo girl? Igbos is even if you go to planet Pluto, you're going to find an Igbo person. Why can't you now find an Igbo girl? If you search very well, because they are hidden. They don't come and do cha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. No, an Igbo girl don't have time for cha-la-la, cha-la-la. She's always on her because wherever she is, all eyes on her. Because her lifestyle can affect her family. That's why she's living coolly, like that. So if you're looking for what you can't find, you can even leave it on the comment. We'll try and look for one for you. If only you're, I don't have to say it now. If you're capable, put comment. We will find one for you. As far as you have what it takes, what it takes to take care of an Igbo girl, we'll find one for you. And trust me, don't say no. She will take care of. She's very caring. She's loving. So, an Igbo girl, if you give her love, she will give you love. But if you give her jara, she will bring out 2 jara and dash you. And that's where the problem is. So, guys, this is what I want you to know about an Igbo girl. Without wasting much of your time, try up there if you like this video. Even if you don't like the video, just pretend say you like them and thumbs up, isn't it? And subscribe for me if you are seeing this video for the first time, because trust me, a lot of things will be coming here and you will, I'm sure you will like it. Don't worry, it's only an Igbo girl, but I'll be talking about the men too, because the men too have their own jara. I've said about the men in my previous video, but I'm going to touch some things again for you guys. So guys, without wasting your time, this video has ended today. Yes, finito. We can't do a lot, because if you do a lot, now you people will get tired. And if you're one of those that go to my video and you watch just 2 minutes and run away, please, I'm begging you, stop watching my video for 2 minutes, because it's even at the end of the video you get the real gist. So, because finish the video so that one know why not in a business, because if you're doing just that 2-3 minutes, one know why will be out of business soon, and I don't think that any of you want me out of the business, isn't it? All right guys, take care, bye.